are watching Melody Lane. With me, you're gonna have a great crafting time.
Well, hello everyone! It's Holly from Melody Lane Inspired. And who's this? This is the newest member of the Melody Lane Inspired family. This is my 10-week-old Bernedoodle named Lucy Lou, also known as Lulu. Say hi, Lucy Lou. Hi! And why are we here? We're here because there's a new mystery box from Cricut. Yes, I know you guys have been waiting. This is going to be the outer space mystery box, and this is going to contain the emerald cutie. So should we see what's in the box? I think that was puppy for yes. Oh, and what else do we want to say, Lucy? Buy quick. Why? Because these last ones have sold out within like 2 hours. So first up in the box, we're going to get some Cricut removable matte vinyl. And this is in the bright green color. And you're going to get 12 by 48 inches. And then we're going to get a roll of the Smart Vinyl Permanent Vinyl in black. So you're going to get 3 feet by 13 inches of this. And you know, you can always use more black. And you're going to get 1 roll of the Cricut Strong Heat Resistant Tape. If you're doing hat press, which I know Father's Day is coming up and dads love hats, you're definitely going to want to use this on it. It is compatible with infusible ink also. And we're also going to get some Cricut iron-on, and this is the apple green color. And you're going to get 12 by 24 inches of this. And sparkly. No, I love sparkles. This is the glitter iron-on, and this is the metallic sampler. So you're going to get 6 12 by 12 sheets. You're going to get 3 of the sparkly silver, and then you're also going to get 3 of the sparkly gold. Sparkly and pretty, Lucy Lou. And you got to say it like that, Lucy Lou. So you're also going to get the Cricut Fine Point pen set, and this is the Tapestry collection. And I love this because I always go through black ones so much. This is the Cricut pen and marker set in black. So you're going to get 5 different pens in here. One's even glitter, and then they vary in range. So there's 0.4, 0.8, 1.0, and 2.0. Don't mind the little crackling in the background. That's just my puppy at my feet, and wherever I am, she is. So please excuse the puppy noise. I love when these come in a box because you never have too many of these. And the price on these have like went up. So it's always good to get them in a box, but we're getting 3 of the Cricut standard grip 12 by 12 mats. And just like I said, we get a cutie. This is the emerald cutie. So he is a dark green, kind of like a hunter green. And he's adorable. And because we get the cutie, that means this box is access only, guys. And the box is $59.99, but it's not because it gets your access discount. But if you're not access, you can go ahead. Links are below that you can join access because there's so many more perks to it. And you're going to save and be able to purchase those mystery boxes. And links are also in the description below to go ahead and purchase your mystery box. If you use our links to purchase from it, we thank you guys greatly. Affiliate links are just a great way to help support small businesses at no added cost to you. So that is everything, guys, in Cricut's Outer Space Mystery Box. So what do you think, Lucy? Was that a good box? It was a great box, wasn't it? So thank you guys for joining us. Thanks for welcoming my Lucy Lou. So thank you guys, and thank you to our admins and our supporters. You guys are awesome. We couldn't do this without you guys. So say thank you guys for watching and have a great week. Oh, and if you're purchasing more at Cricut, we do have a discount code. What's the discount code, Lucy? It's CREATE. So if you're purchasing materials and accessories, go ahead, and over $100 or more, go ahead, use our code CREATE, and that's going to give you 10% off and free shipping. And you can stack it. Oh, big puppy yawn. And you can stack it with your access discount, can't you? All right, guys. Well, thanks for watching. Puppy needs a nap, so we will see you next time. That's my Lucy Lou. She's my little Bernadou. Say bye, guys. We'll see you next time. Now, no eating cuties, ma'am. We need to learn this now. I don't care how much you kiss me. You can't eat the cutie. You can't eat the cutie. Oh, no.